10 cleaning tips for a pristine swimming pool. In the event that you are sufficiently fortunate to claim a pool, you should be set up to keep it immaculate clean. A couple of support rules can keep your pool welcoming, reviving, and shining for regular use. It is anything but difficult to jump into the dream of night pool parties, however keeping your pool shining clean is the perquisite. In the event that you are sufficiently fortunate to claim a pool, you should be set up to keep it flawless clean. A couple of upkeep rules can keep your pool welcoming, invigorating, and shining for regular use. It is anything but difficult to plunge into the dream of night pool parties, yet keeping your pool shimmering clean is the perquisite. On the off chance that you pass up any of the upkeep runs, your pool could capitulate to an assortment of not exactly extravagant conditions. All things considered, who needs to swim in a pool with green growth and broken channels? Here are the best 10 pool cleaning tips to make your life simpler. 1. Day-by-day skimming. The outside of a pool is presented to leaves, earth, and trash. Skimming the surface waters is an easy decision, however it bears redundancy. On the off chance that you genuinely need a perfectly clear pool, skimming ought to be done consistently. A robot vacuum can be useful in expelling the flotsam and jetsam from the surface and base also. 2. Ordinary pool scrubbing. Sides of a pool ought to be scoured week after week. The pool condition is reasonable for green growth development. The green growth development can truly influence the control intrigue of a pool, so a proactive property holder forestalls green growth development. You can utilize chlorine to dispose of the obstinate pool stains. On the off chance that you are searching for a pool cleaning organization, look at Pool Water Cleaning in Phoenix, Arizona. 3. Clean filter basket weekly. The pool channel is answerable for expelling garbage and different debasements from water. You should clean the channels once every week. Move killer the channel and expel the top situated on the pool deck. Lift out the channel crate to expel any garbage. When the pollutions are evacuated, supplant everything back to its place. 4. Keep consistent chemical levels. A solid pool has safe substance levels. In the event that there are any inappropriately adjusted synthetic substances, they can disturb skin and ice. Your pool can likewise transform into a reproducing ground for microscopic organisms. As per the Center for Disease Control, CDC, you should check for levels of alkalinity, free chlorine, sharpness, and calcium hardness. The pH of a sound pool lies between 7.5–7.8. You have to purchase straightforward testing units for your pool. Peruse the heading gave on the unit, and you will likewise discover reference ranges for every parameter. 5. Stun your dirty pool. On the off chance that your pool water has turned dinky, the time has come to stun pool water. You should simply to include multiple times of standard chlorine portion into the pool water. The extreme ascent of chlorine levels can murder all the microscopic organisms. Supplant the messy waters. Pool stunning ought not be done all the time. The synthetic concoctions can harm the pool siding. It is protected to direct pool stuns twice every season. 6. Keep up water levels. Keeping up safe water levels is likewise fundamental for pool upkeep. The water level ought to be most of the way up the skimmer level. Substantial downpours can raise the levels and you may require a sub-siphon to evacuate overabundance water. 7. Assimilate excess oils. A tennis ball can quite supportive in retaining abundance oils. The filaments of the tennis ball can retain the oils left by the swimmers. 8. Yearly power washing. The pool deck is very trying for property holders. On the off chance that there are any rust stains, psychology articles, you can enlist experts for power washing administrations. 9. Look for professional assistance. Pool water cleaning is simple when you keep standard schedules. Yet, you should look for proficient help for master exhortation. 10. Set up your pool for winters. Winters can seriously harm ill-equipped winter pools. The stains and harms can demolish the stylish intrigue and usefulness of the pool. Set aside some effort for setting up your pool for winters.